Hi guys, so today we're going to be talking about, well, I'm going to make a kidney cleanse. I'm in stage 3 kidney disease, so I've been doing a lot of research and I came up with this kidney cleanse. You use cilantro, you use parsley, a little water, lemon, and a little stevia if you want to, try to make it a little sweet or whatever. Okay, so alright. Okay guys, so now I'm just squeezing some lemon juice with my lemon. So I'm gonna rinse this off, rinse my parsley off. And rinse this off. Cold water. Alright, rinsing that off. Alright. And I guess I just cut this, cut it in with this bullshit ass knife again. I've got to get me a good knife. So I got my blender right here. Go ahead on there and put it in there. So that's parsley. And we're just gonna blend that. Okay, now I gotta get my cilantro. Cut the bag. I can wash this off. She gave me 2 of them. Okay. So I have enough for another day. But it go bad. Now go bad. Okay, so here's my cilantro. Gotta cut this. Okay. Let me go with my knife. Yeah, I ordered me some good old knives, y'all, cause God, I be struggling. I hope this is enough. I hope my little blender big enough. I hope it's big enough. Get in there. Okay. Okay, so I have cut all my cilantro and my parsley in here. This is 1 cup of lemon juice. Put that in there. They said put water. And this is my first time making this, y'all. It's a kidney cleanse. How much water they say? Let's see. I don't want to put too much water. Okay, I'll put the top on it. Come on. Okay. Hold on, y'all. So I'm gonna get my screener. Put it on my glass. I'm gonna have to hold this at the same time. Alright, open it up. Now that looks so green and vibrant. Okay. Ooh, it smells so fresh. Gee. Okay. Just screen it with my little screen. Okay, y'all, so I'm finished. I screened it and there's so much juice I got. So let's try it. I don't know. I got a lot of lemon in there. But it's okay. I'm gonna drink this whole thing. It's a little tangy. But it ain't bad at all. I gotta get used to drinking these different juices because I'm trying to heal my body. I am trying to get off of all medicine. I know I might not be able to get off my kidney medicine, but you never know. I ain't gonna speak that over my life. I want to get off my kidney medicine too. I want to get off blood pressure and kidney medicine. Those are the main two. And this right here that you see is a kidney cleanse. It's cilantro, parsley, and lemon and water. Cilantro, parsley, lemon, and water. All right, y'all, go try it. Whoever out here got kidney problems, or you don't even have to have kidney problems, just flush your liver and your kidneys. Kidney cleanse.